She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani.
Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kamaya. We're doing vacation prep. Oh, you know. I've been running around all week. Currently 4:10. I'm outside the beauty supply store because I need to go in here and get some hair, because hair is what we're doing first since it does take the longest. I am going to do my nails as well, but I need to be able to braid my hair. Yeah, I just decided I'm going to do my hair myself this time. I don't feel like fucking with these hairstylist. We're doing some boho, of course. They gonna look decent enough. Like, don't get me wrong, they gonna be cute. They might not be as perfect as they could be. Yeah, let me hurry up and go up in here and get this hair because I got therapy at 5. After that, when I get to the house, we gonna start on this hair. Let's get into this video. So I'm definitely an expression girl. I'm probably gonna get the 3-pack of hair. I want these kind of long. Like, I want them like maybe right. My dilemma is that my actual hair is not black. It's like a 2, but I dyed my hair black and I dyed it too black, and now my ends is black as hell and my roots is light. So hello, sister. Hey, you too. I'm gonna braid my hair, but the thing is, so I dyed it too black, and now my ends is black for real, but my roots is like my natural color. What braiding hair color should I get? Okay, I was like, I know my sister will know. Okay, so looking at boho, I'm probably gonna get stuff is. I went ahead and washed my hair in the shower. Get this over with, honestly. But I put leave-in some moisturizer in the shower. My hair really be the task.
Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana.
I'm done blow drying this here. So yeah, let me show y'all my setup in the living room this time, because I feel like when I do it in my room, I get very overstimulated and I feel clustered. Okay, so I have my light, of course, and braid your own hair for sure is 2 big mirrors. You see, I got 1 mirror here and I got 1 mirror here. Braiding rack, of course, combs, product, clips, and butt pillow, water, hair, fan, because I be getting hot and overstimulated and frustrated when I keep flicking up the first row of braids. Okay, so I'm not sure what size I really want to do. This size. My plan was to pre-party yesterday, which was Thursday, but I was so tired like crazy. I didn't even eat no lunch and my head was hurting. I started feeling sick. What I do is I turn back and forth between the mirrors. I got the back of my hair parted. Let's look at it. I think I'm gonna just do like check-ins as I go. So
I told him, well, I'm a little busy. He said, damn, I'm in your city. But anyway, it's okay. Hope you have a good day. I'ma see you by day 50. Then I told him, you treat me so well. He said, cash out for sale. Matter of fact, scratch that. I'ma see what's that just cause you.
It's gonna be back after the first row, but really I did 2 rows. The first row, I always want to act out. She's coming together.
And I told him, well, thank you, baby. Anything for my favorite lady. Well, I gotta go. They just let me know that I could pick up a Mercedes. I got hoes, might just be on me, in different area codes. Everywhere I go, I call and they drop the low. Drop that fucking location. Cause I got hoes.
I'm almost done with the back. I got like 2 more rows. This first row, I'm gonna have 4 braids, and then I think at the top one I'm gonna have 2 or 3. I'm not sure. Let's do a time check. Ooh, 11:39. I'm gonna finish today because I have stuff to do tomorrow. Yeah, it took me a little break. Some people do the front first and then do the back, and they say that's faster, but I ain't got time for that. I just want to get the back out the way. The first row really be messing me up every time. I don't really be caring how the first 3 braids look in the back, because who gonna see them? This in the back of my kitchen. But if I really would have did what I was gonna do yesterday and pre-parted my hair and blow dry and wash it, this process would have been way easier. I could have started as soon as I got home.
If I do they, it'll be Michael. Keeps you spicy, tipping trainy. Yellow bone chick look like Hey Donnie. Freaking the sheets, freak on them keys. Niggas been hooked since big old free. I realized that I was a shit when R&B niggas wanna start rap beats.
Okay, next day is Saturday. It's 1:49. We just woke up maybe like 10 minutes ago, so I'm very irritated. My head hurts, I'm tired, and I still got shit to do after this. This is how much I got done last night. So I got 10 in total. About to just knock it out so I can hurry up and get ready for it. This finished last night, but I got tired. My parts started being crooked, and I was getting frustrated. This is how much I have left.
Ain't got no name on him. Wish these hoes stop trying to put claim on him. He come around me, get game on him. If he don't go, then I already came on him. These new hoes sound like my mixtape. Bitches love saying my name like it's clickbait. I don't take shit if they come with the dishes. I don't rock shit if it come in his name. I'm not your better yet, cause don't sleep on me. Look like a lick, then I'm putting the freak on him. I love these niggas that's begging and hang. Cause my bitch a young thug and I'm the rich on me. Boy, I ain't finna read all they texts, don't know what it said, but
I wanted to show y'all my hair before I leave the house. This took way too motherfucking long. Bun thing in the back. This is how my hair turned out. By me. There's 2 packs of hair and then like 1.5 bundles. But this is how it turned out. I'm gonna see y'all when we start our next part of this vacation prep. Tomorrow I'm gonna do my nails, and then we're gonna start packing. And okay, y'all, I'm back. It's Sunday now, and I have so many things to do for this freaking trip. I made a list so I don't forget nothing. Only thing I done accomplished off this list is doing my hair. So I have today, Monday, and Tuesday to get my shit together. I already started washing clothes so that I can start putting my outfits together and semi-packing, just getting stuff laid out at least. Today I'm gonna do my nails. I'm also cleaning right now. I'm gonna start packing up my accessories. I'm gonna clean up my room. I'm gonna go to the nail supply because I want to get gems. Like I want blinged out Frenchies. I'm thinking, I don't know, I might change my mind. Get another SD card. And I need to fill out my ED card, which is basically how you get to enter Aruba. You have to fill it out before you go. So I'm about to straighten and clean up my room, and then we'll see. Okay, y'all, so I finished cleaning up my room, cleaned up my restroom, started another load of laundry. After that load, I have one more load to wash, and then I'll be done washing everything, and then we can start the packing process. About to go to the nail supply. First stop, though, we're gonna go get some Chipotle because I haven't ate. It's been a whole thing, like, with me not eating. I don't know what's going on in my body. I just been feeling weird and stuff. I'm hungry now, so we're gonna stop at Chipotle first, get something to eat, and then we're gonna head to the nail supply.
Hey, what? RP them fuck niggas. What? Really hate a rap nigga. That shit now I see it ain't get rid of. Who sold the buttons? Cause that shit still popping out the front and the back. So I wanna crap behind your back like a joke. But I heard you fucking with a nigga that I know.
Okay, so I'm outside of Chipotle. It is like, sometimes I be feeling weird if I take my camera in there while I'm getting the food. Like, I can record myself. Sometimes to show the food on the line, but I feel like it's weird for me to be like, can I record your hands while you scoop my food in my bowl? Like, no. I got a free entree too. I eat too much Chipotle. Thank you. Very sunny out here, but that really tested my patience. This is why I only go to certain Chipotles. I'm already starving. My stomach is clenching at this point. And this lady in front of me, she had 2 kids with her, so she got 2 kids things. And then she got a bowl, and then she got a burrito. And every time she would stop, she was like, oh, and then I'm like, ugh. Thinking about how I'm finna mess this food up. And they wasn't listening. Let's talk about vacation. I'm going to Aruba. I planned this trip all by myself, and oh, I'm going solo. I'm very excited. I'm starting to get nervous. We leave in 3 days. Go to work 2 times and then on the plane. Very excited, but also a little bit nervous just because this is my first time going somewhere by myself. No, not somewhere by myself, but I'm going out of the country by myself. I researched on it before I decided where I wanted to go. And plus, it's in the Caribbean. I'm trying to be an island gal. What are you talking about? I think this is going to be an amazing experience for me. I really should just go clear my head. I finish eating this. I'm probably going to go to... I want to go see if I can find myself a suitcase. I'm going to do that, and then we're going to hit the nail supply, and then we're going to go back home. I'm going to see y'all when I'm done eating. My Guess boots, one of them is comfortable, but one of them feels like there's not like a cushion in the boot. My feet be hurting. I can find a little bag in it though. Oh, I see makeup bags. Options. Like all of these. Yes. I kind of do want one with a handle though. I really want a bigger makeup bag and a toiletry bag, because I notice when I go places, I don't ever really have nowhere to put my like toothpaste, toothbrush, soap. Look like a lunchbox. It's gonna be the makeup bag, toiletry bag, because it matches. And it opens like this. This True bag is so cute. It's only $7. All of the ones in here, I don't like their suitcases. I'm not gonna settle for an ugly one, but they got some crazy suitcases. They got one that got locks on it with some like a USB port and all types of stuff. So I'm about to hurry up and just get these 2 bags and get up out of here because it's hot as shit. Okay, I made it to the nail supply. My camera is on 4%, so I'm just gonna show y'all what I get when I get home. Right in front of the door and look. Lit now because I got a couple things I need to get, so I'm gonna go in here and get all the stuff and we're gonna do my nails. I'm back at home now. I took a little break and now I'm ready to get to work on these nails. Why does this bump want to keep coming back on my face? But let me show you my little setup. I'm really doing my nails at home. My birthday nails. You know I had to go get some stuff. $74.29. I got new Gel X tips. I have some. I have a big case just like this, but the shape on those do not be shaping. I be wanting square. They be like square with the edges curving. I want to do the base of the Frenchie pink. Just want to be extra. Like that's all it is. It's October. It's my birthday. Like, don't mind my ashy hands. I just washed my hands, so don't mind them if they're ashy. These stuff. The Lash Cure, Big Lamp, cuticle nippers, cuticle pusher, alcohol, nail glue, primer, dehydrator, nail cutter. I was gonna forget something. I need to go get the top coat and base coat. Get started on nail prep.
But I don't know her, had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it, bitch, I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches' necks so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business, you might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word of up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open, keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Stay with me today, then get some sleep, you know it's up tomorrow. Fake bitch, that's why my friend fucked on your nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog hoe, I don't care what no bitch say. I stay on her mind, I got condos in that bitch head. She said she don't fuck with me, who say that you can't hoe? That nigga munching, he gon' eat me like a mango. Long ass week, it be tickling my ass.
I'm back. It's Monday. First thing we need to do is do my toes, and they're gonna match my nails. And let's get into how I ate the nails down though. Like, what? DIY queen. Saved myself about medium knotless, boho knotless. They would have charged me at least $180. And then these, see why they charge so much for Blinged. That shit took me forever. But my Amazon package came today, and let me show y'all everything that was in it. They get a passport cover, and I made sure to get one that looked just like the actual cover. A camera case, so that I can have something to carry my camera around instead of just carrying it loose. This is how it looks. It got this like compartment, and it also has a strap too, so that'll come clutch. Portable fan, look. But this thing is hard to open, so I'm not gonna do it right now. But it actually is pretty cute, and it got this little flashlight on it. Also got this book, Power of Now, which is basically teaching you, giving you a change in perspective on how to focus on present day, like what's going on in your life right now, not worrying about the past or the future. Because think about it, you can't go back and change nothing that already happened. You can't control what's going to happen in the future. So what you can control is what you do right now. So worry about right now, present day, what's going on in your life right now versus what coulda, shoulda, woulda happened. This better fit. Are you kidding me? Oh, I think it fits. I'm about to say, hey, she cute. She cute. I love my iPad. I really do love my iPad. Let's go do these nails because it's gonna take me a minute. I still gotta pack these damn clothes and pick outfits. And it's already a headache to me because I literally hate packing. Pray for me. Let's get it.
We hit the club and it's cups full of jealous. We in the bag and we might get a tear. And I'm in a bad bitch and I got in the deal. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows it all. She gets down just like it all. That from the blood, she not on the shot. So that bitch bad, watch her blow. Back it's the way.
I've been at home. It's like 7:30. Allergies messing me up bad. I've been going to sleep at like 2, 3 o'clock for the past 3, 4 days since Friday. This is what I have so far. I didn't pack my bag last night, but I laid everything out. Fits I want to wear, bathing suits, camera case, bags and accessories, and the shoes I'm gonna take. All I have to do is put it in the bag now, and then when I get back home, all I'm gonna have to do is put my toiletries in my toiletry bag after I take a shower, and then we're good. That's gonna be the end of this because your girl's tired. I have my work clothes on. Mind your business. I didn't find a suitcase I like, so I'm just gonna use this one again because I'm not gonna settle for one I don't want. 70, 95. I even seen some upwards of 164, and I was like, baby, I'm not paying for that, especially if it's ugly. How I pack is I always do shoes first so that everything can lay flat on top and all the hard stuff will be at the bottom. I got my phone with my slight itinerary. That's how I base my outfits. And chill for when I get there. I probably might go to the beach when I get there, honestly. So we got a bathing suit. We got something chill I can put on. Let's check. I have my birthday outfit. I need another swimsuit because I'm going snorkeling. And then I have something to wear if I want to go out that night. I have 6 bikinis. To wear all of them? I don't know, but I have my top 3 that I know for sure I'm gonna wear, so it's okay. Like loungewear / pajamas and 2 pairs of denim shorts just in case. Gonna be my like accessory bag. These are my bags of accessories. I always do too much. This is all of my accessories that I'm gonna be taking with me. 4, 5. So I'm bringing 10 pairs of underwear. Hey, when I go somewhere, take extra underwear. Like that's always a plus. Like you never know. Bag is looking this far, and then my makeup bag is gonna go right here, toiletry bag, and then my shea butter, and then that's everything I'm gonna put in there. So let's do makeup bag, and then that's gonna be it. Okay, after this, all I need to do is do my toiletries. We are all packed up and ready to go. Overall, planning this trip has just been an experience. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Next time I see y'all, we're gonna be in Aruba, so get ready for the vlog. See y'all next time.